most welcome back to our channel English Up by Lakshmi. How are you all? I hope all are doing great. Today I would like to share about a smart story. Small and lively story. Struggles of our life. Its heading is Struggles of Our Life. Once upon a time, a daughter complained to her father that her life was miserable and that she didn't know how she was going to make it. She was tired of fighting and struggling all the time. It seemed just as one problem was solved, another one soon followed. Her father Ashraf took her to the kitchen. He filled three pots with water and placed each on a high fire. Once the three pots three pots began to boil, he placed potatoes in one pot, eggs in the second pot, and the ground coffee beans in the third pot. He then let them sit and boil without saying a word to his daughter. The daughter moaned and impatiently waited, wondering what he was doing. After 20 minutes, he turned off the burners. He took the potatoes out of the pot and placed them in a bowl. He pulled the eggs out and placed them in a bowl. He then ladled the coffee out and placed it in a cup. Turning to her, he asked, Daughter, what do you see? Potatoes, eggs, and coffee. She hazily replied. Look closer, he said and touched the potatoes. She did and noted that they were soft. He then asked her to take an egg and break it. After pulling off the shell, she observed the hard boiled egg. Next one, finally, he asked her to sip the coffee. Its rich aroma brought a smile her face. Father, what does this mean? She asked. He then explained that the potatoes, the eggs, and coffee beans had each faced the same adversity. The boiling water, however, each one reacted differently. The potato went in strong, hard, and unrelentingly, but in boiling water, it became soft and weak. The egg was fragile, with the thin outer shell protecting its liquid interior until it was put in the boiling water. Then the inside of the egg became hard. However, the ground coffee beans were unique. After they were exposed to the boiling boiling water, they changed the water and created something new. When one are you? He asked his daughter. When adversity knocks on your door, how do you respond? Are you a potato, an egg, or a coffee bean? Like a moral of the story. In life, things happen around us. Things happen to us. But the only thing that truly matters is how you choose react to it, and what you make out of it. Life is all about leaning, adapting, and converting all the struggles that we experience into something positive. Yeah, like a friends, whatever you have happen in our life and happening in our life, we have to think positively. Okay, in all situations we will get adversities and like happiness and everything. Then we have to face ready to face that no struggles in our life. Yeah, in this story I want to tell, I want to share new lexicon words. Means it means new words. Moin means verb. It's a verb and Hindi mein karahi. It means to make a low sound of pain, suffering, or another strong emotion. Okay, for instance, he mourned with pain before losing consciousness. He is like a moin, with the pain. Next word, impatiently. It's an adverb, like in Hindi में बेसर भी say, meaning in a way that shows irritation or annoyance. It means impatiently means in a way that shows irritation or annoyance. It's like sometimes you will get angry on some situations, some persons like that. Okay. For instance, she is waiting impatiently for her husband's return. Next word, adversity. It's a noun. Hindi mein apada. It means a difficult or unlucky situation or event. For instance, she was always cheerful in adversity. Like at any cost, whatever it may be, she always like no feel. She wants to try like always be happy. In adversity also, in like in difficult situations also. Next one, unrelentingly. It's an adjective. Bedard. It means like in Hindi, mein it's a bedard. It means extrememely determined, never become weaker or admitting defeat. No, always try to like no determine like they those people have some determination, goal, some enthusiasm to learn new things. For instance, an unrelenting downpour of rain. Okay. Next word, leaning. Leaning, it's a verb, jukao. Okay, in Hindi mein jukao. It means to cause to slope in one direction or to move the top part of the body in a particular direction. Just it's like a laid slide down, slope in one direction. Okay. For instance, she leaned forward and whispered something in my ear. Okay, next word, ladled. Ladle, it's a verb. In Hindi में करचूल से देना. It means serve soup, stew or sauce with a ladle. Okay, it's like a one type of thing, I think. For instance, she ladled out onion soup. Next word, hastily. Hastily, it's an adverb. It means said or done in a hurry, sometimes without the necessary care or thought. Okay, for instance, some thought the government acted too hastily. Okay, like in a hurry way. Sometimes, like they whatever that politicians give that like they took the decisions like a hastily. Okay, sometimes without the necessary care or thought, they will give that like their words. Okay, this is all about today's short story and please I hope you love this story. Please like if you wanna like this type of stories. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the all bell button for amazing content. Then only you will get my notifications. Yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day to all. Stay home, stay safe. Take care all of you. Okay, best of luck for your day. Have a great day to all. Bye for now. Let's catch up with another new video. Take care all of you. Bye.